The struggle with dog odor is a common problem for pet owners. Did you know that the science behind pet odors is more complex than you might think? Dogs naturally develop odors due to various reasons. Common culprits include skin bacteria, ear infections, and diet. Regular grooming and bathing are essential. Brushing helps remove dirt and oils. Try DIY natural shampoos using oatmeal or apple cider vinegar. Make an all-natural deodorizing spray with vinegar, water, and essential oils. Baking soda neutralizes smells effectively. A quality diet affects body odor. Add parsley or coconut oil to meals for fresh breath and skin. Wash bedding, toys, and collars regularly. Use natural cleaning solutions like vinegar and baking soda. Regular vet checkups can catch infections early. Maintain a clean home and proper hygiene routines for odor control. To summarize, eliminating dog odor naturally involves regular grooming, proper diet, and a clean living space. Try these methods and share your experiences. Subscribe for more pet care tips.